Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Harvey Castro. I'm an emergency room physician in Dallas, Texas. Many patients have asked me to cover different topics, and I decided I should do some of these on YouTube, do them in English and Spanish. Before I go into any topics, I just want to give a little background about myself. I grew up in New York City, Queens, New York to be exact. At the time, my first job was at a health food store. It was really exciting for me at the time. I had a lot of elderlies come in and teach me about herbs, vitamins. They really showed me a lot of different things about home remedies. I really enjoyed it. After a year, I felt like I was prescribing, although I wasn't a doctor, but I was helping family members with different ailments, and I was using alternative medicine. I already knew at the time I wanted to be a doctor. That just gave me more of a spark to follow my dream. I joined the U.S. Army right after high school. I was a dental assistant, moved to San Antonio, Texas, and then from there Houston. I went to community college at Kingwood College, transferred to Texas A&M, got my Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Science in Political Science and Biomedical Science. Right after Texas A&M, I moved to Galveston, Texas for medical school at UTMB. And I got really blessed. I had many doctors there that believed in alternative medicine, and we had a journal club, and I was learning a lot about vitamins and interactions between vitamins and herbs and traditional medicine. I think it gave me an edge. The following year, I moved to Baytown, Texas to do a transition year of family practice, and then the following year, I went to Bethlehem, Pennsylvania to finish up my ER residency, and that's 3 years. During my residency years, I met a cardiologist, and he was really passionate about alternative medicine as well. And I decided to use my networks of healthcare / vitamins and herbs to create my first heart vitamin company. It was a lot of fun. We were in the local news. We sold that company during residency. Then after that, moved to Dallas, Texas, and I got to work at different hospitals. Louisville, Las Colinas, all of those are in Dallas, and Parkland Hospital is probably more famous throughout the country. A couple of years doing that, I don't know, 7 years or so, and I decided to move to something called the freestanding emergency rooms. Don't exist everywhere, but basically imagine an emergency room, take it out of the hospital and put it in a local suburban area where you live. It increases access to healthcare. It costs less than putting a hospital, and then the best thing is it really allows more healthcare providers to be closer to where people actually live. Then after that, I decided to start a app company, basically creating healthcare apps to help individuals, mainly hospitals and healthcare, different needs that I saw fit. I would create an app for them. That was quite exciting. After that, I've been medical correspondent for NBC, Univision, Telemundo. That's been fun. So I figured this is just something I do just because I enjoy it. That's basically it. If you have any questions or if you want some topics for me to go over, feel free to email me at drharveycastro@gmail.com. There's no spaces or dots. I also have a Facebook account. It's facebook.com/drharveycastro. And then if you're on LinkedIn, it's linkedin.com/Harvey Castro. And then my website that I'm just starting out right now is harveycastro.com. So it was good meeting you guys. If you have any questions, just feel free to email me, and I look forward to answering your questions. Have a great day.